So happy new year everyone. I hope your 2026 is off to a great start. So before we hop into Blender, I would like to say a huge thanks to all your support that you gave my channel to last year. Your likes, your comments and your shares are what kept me motivated. So let's hop into Blender. So from the thumbnail you already know what we're modeling, and last year I released a short on how to model a football, but I didn't add voice and some people might not be able to follow, especially beginners. So now I'm doing it again, explaining everything step by step. So we're going to delete everything in our viewport, shift A to add an icosphere. Let me enable my screencast keys so that you can see what I am pressing right here. Okay, so we will reduce the subdivision levels to 1 and enter edit mode. So now we want to bevel the vertices, these vertices, right? Everything. But if we press Ctrl B right now, you can see what it's giving us. It's not giving us the right shape. So instead of using Ctrl B, we're going to use Ctrl Shift B, and then you can see it is beveling the vertices. I'll click and I think this is okay, but I'll still increase it because what we want is to have even length. The length should be even for all the sides, but yes, we cannot do that because we don't have perfect eyes, but something that just seems okay to you, right? Okay, so go to face select and I'll use Alt E, and then to bring up the extrude menu I will extrude individual faces like so. I'll go to edge select, click on this edge and shift G, and I want to select similar length. So it's going to select all the edges that have the same length, right? So I'm going to add a crease, so that is shift E, and I'm dragging it all the way to the side, and that will add a crease value of 1. Or you can decide to go up here, go to item and then drag the crease value to 1. What works for you? Fine, right? So we're going to add a subdivision surface modifier, generate subdivision surface modifier level 2, right? I'm going to shade smooth, enter edit mode, go to face select. I want to select this face, press shift G and then select similar parameter. So it's going to select all those faces that are the same shape, right? They have the same parameter. I'm going to shift and select this one, press shift G and then select parameter as well. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the pivot point, right, from median to individual origins. So now once I press S to scale, you can see how it's scaling it for me. So I'll scale it to something like this and I'll click. That is okay for me. So now the magic modifier, what will create the shape for us, right? Because right now it's already looking like a football, but a deflated football. So I'll go under deform and add a cast modifier, and you can see how it has already fixed it for us. It's looking better. I can increase the factor because I still don't like the shape. You just know that you do it to what fits, like make it, model it to what fits you. Just model it, right? So I think a factor of 0.75 is okay for me, right? So I'm going to get this material and name it white, right? I'm going to name it white. I'm going to add a new material and name this black. That's for the black and white materials, right? And I'm going to set the base color to black. I'm going to enter edit mode. I'm going to select these pentagon shapes because those are the black, right? And I'm going to press shift G and then select similar parameter. Okay, so now if we were to just apply the black material here, you will see how it looks like, and it doesn't look good, right? So here's how we'll fix it. The reason it's doing that is because we're only applying to the top, and then the subdivision modifier, the surface modifier, is smoothing out everything. So that means those edges inside here, they will not have that black material. So here's how we fix it. So just hold down Control and then numpad plus, that plus sign on your numpad, and then it will select more. That is, it will increase the selection, and then so it has selected those ones around. If you don't have a numpad on your PC, here's how you do it. So after you have selected everything, that's select by perimeter, you go down to select over here, and then you'll see select more or less, then you click more. I want to do that for you. Then you can go back and assign your black material, come out of edit mode and go to your material preview, and voila, we're done with modeling the football. This was the same process I did as the shot I uploaded last year. If you learned something, leave a comment and leave a comment down below, and I would love to see you guys in the next video. Peace.